Thank you so much. Matang kapolo, matang periok, matang ekisil, matang aitu, oita Banyoro no oilinga. No, para que ya le oli tukio. Ya kabina dania, ya kabina waya, alakara ponare. Our brother, the governor, and all invited guests. Amen. Governor, you are most welcome to Abim District. My name is Tubo Christina Kwang. I'm the woman MP Kabong and the vice chairperson Karamoja Parliamentary. Uganda and Tipimon Nachumi Parliament Kabong. I want to start by thanking the people of Abim by successfully organizing this function. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today to join all the Ateker community that has been invited to celebrate our culture in Abim district for the 7th edition of Karamoja cultural event. Which actually is Ateker cultural event as shown by representation of all the Ateker communities here. On behalf of Karamoja Parliamentary Group, I want to warmly welcome our brothers and sisters from Ethiopia, Sudan, Kenya, all over. I think for this year's cultural event is very clear to all of us. It is understood that culture is a people's way of life, which includes code of manners, dress, language, religion, rituals, and hearts. Culture is also powerful, a powerful force that bridges across differences, cultures, languages, wherever. From heritage to creative expression, culture contributes to identity, belonging, and meaning. As a resource for community vitality, well-being, and expression, it shapes peaceful coexistence through recognition and respect for each other. Therefore, let us all enjoy our culture in all aspects. So today, as we come together, let us all recollect our recent past, because we are now celebrating our oneness and as a family. So tina wande bilo ka chel na nuwe ya rika bena papa miro video bilo lo na chol ande ka bro ko na nyen. Actually, we are miles apart due to some individuals who have made our homes, our region, and peaceful and insecure. Wando bere tina bora ke wera ti jomo na no balo kuj no balo berewa and ikinwa ka neni. As political leaders of this region, today conflicts in Karamoja are increasingly fueled by ethnic and belief differences. Grievances and identity misinterpretation. I want to appeal to the youth who have come here from all over our Tekere community, especially from Karamoja region, to commit themselves to peaceful coexistence with all other Karamoja, particularly our host community.
Ya kokro bot bulu no bino ngene kan ke ka bena papa ni gino talgini yo mena ni kucho berotie kuina bero pe karnalach obetie karajong total mere kila gengo bino ngene kani a youth mirene ne mana be.
Abim in particular has suffered as a result of our brutal acts.
Abim kwang mere olimo channa dit kwang pitichwa na recho na wane ke de kongi.
To me personally, this event is a deliberate way by us to preserve our culture.
Bino wakan nangara chelo bino pirekene obino yuachel mere ni egwokote kwaroro na be.
Attempts to destroy culture is a bit to wipe out people's past, present and future.
Inoni kete kwa na wana bino gachele obino na ruchoko bina chon no ngabati na be.
In this regard, I must thank all of you for heeding to the cultural cause to be here.
Indeed, amena kondo polewu ingoni iwinyo unuluongo meta kwarane mebino ne kuch oberotie omiyoiniti tilkai.
We must also be aware of factors that are against the preservation of our culture, such as poverty, illiteracy, and unemployment.
Mira wante nge na be kodingo na mara lenye komu ta kwarana meonu na chala Chope na chala berege bagomenge kwanope na chala berege na numo gimo ope chingi na chala numo chana magongiro.
Illiteracy and unemployment have often forced the youth in Karamoja to take to raiding as a way of living and survival.
Inuni beda bangachi chukuru beda na numo chichope omiyo da dio wikono me karajong kan me chabo kwa me yak na numo bati atir.
I want to appeal to the district local governments of Karamoja, religious leaders, civil society organizations, and our cultural leaders to work together to see that any support towards the current famine in Karamoja is well coordinated and directed to the most vulnerable individuals and households.
Amilo kokobo etela roma papa etela medini echumu bie yona numu bele jakota ingo kiduchina genmio na chala chwa na konyo chan enene konyo jona numu chana da bioge karjon kan.
Above all, we need peace and security even for food to reach where it is required.
Na dola ala kiduchu wana mido kuch na machel karibe ni mi konyo chem baro moturo kana kujupeye.
On behalf of Karamoja Parliamentary Group,
Nakaka group me parliament me karjon kani
I want to pledge you
amira ni akuma roboto
to promise you that we stand for peace and unity, and we are ready to closely work with other leaders from other communities.
Wana jala jona ti ochi amira ni akubinu nakaka jona kene ni wani ti ready eti ayika mechumo na te meneno ni kuch obiriti karjon.
We want to see all our Akaker community living peacefully.
Wana mira ni atekera kete ilogodi dijuno rumojoni kwa gere na be kuch.
I strongly take the message of the governor, and I will therefore deliver to the members of parliament from Karamoja that beginning from now, not even tomorrow, we should continue having meetings.
Ada abino kwanyo duan nanu gabana oto na makalo kuch abino tero duan nan buat na chi parliament ni waba chakare chane patidiki mena ni lokom kuch makala te.
I am happy that God has heard our prayers. You can look at the sky.
Ana bino to ni obama unyola waka na gra politi ka yach kane.
We are about to receive God's blessing.
Wande chok to nuongo piyo ba chari kan.
On behalf of the parliamentary group,
Nakaka wan jona chumi parliament.
I want to wish you all safe journey and greetings to the families that you left behind.
Amido legani obama teru na bere yo egeteru ato motamewa ipajishi ukana ni weko.
I say all this for God and my country.
Ako man pi obama na akipilo bana. Oyo no go.